Hello from gardening at Dwensa in Ireland, and this is a very quick video just to remind you of something. Now, some of you may have already seen, in fact I hope a whole lot of you have already seen Zane's video from a few days ago, and I'm going to link to that up above. And Zane is doing a scavenger hunt. So what that means is he's asking everybody to look out for certain types of orchids at an orchid show, or certain things about orchids. For example, you have to find an orchid that has a price with all the same digits. Anyway, it's just a bit of fun, and I think, you know, what with the season that's in it, we could all do with a bit of fun and something a bit light-hearted. So just to remind you that this is happening, and hopefully you'll all take part and put up videos. So that was just what I wanted to say today. Now, in terms of doing the scavenger hunt myself, I hope you're not dizzy with me looking up and down that orchid. In terms of the scavenger hunt for myself, I'm not going to get a chance to do it until I visit my first orchid show this year. And that is going to be Dresden. So if any of you are going to Dresden, hopefully I will see you there, and we'll all be doing scavenger hunts together. Anyway, if you're not going to an orchid show, I'm sure you can just do it in Trader Joe's or wherever you normally buy your orchids. Okay, that's all I wanted to say for the moment. Really, really cold here, and we're expecting a singularly cold snap very soon. So yeah, I shouldn't be able to get out to the garden for a bit. Thanks for watching. Bye.